We traveled yesterday from Theodore Roosevelt National Park, Cottonwood Campground, to Cody, Wyoming. And this is a KOA in Cody, Wyoming. And we went ahead and got the patio site. It's a huge KOA. They call it a holiday. It's sufficient. The gift store was the best part of this whole place. It was awesome. So Stan's finishing up, and this was our site. They had a dog park, and we got propane. We were able to do that, which was really nice. Got some laundry done. And then today we're gonna be in the Grand Tetons. We're going to Gros Ventre. You got anything to say? Can't think of anything.
You can't think of anything to say? Why are you a loss for words? As a quick stay. Slam bam, thank you ma'am.
Alright, he's got nothing to say. So this was a great stop. We needed water. We've been carrying the 5-gallon water jug and another 6-gallon igloo, just in case. It was $5.50 for 11 gallons. And then I showed you the little pump that I have. We just refill our 1-gallon water bottles in there. But this was right at Albertsons. Super easy stop. Off to the Grand Tetons.
Well, good morning. I finally have something to say. So I'm really excited about this part of the journey and this travel day, because this is the first time that we're actually going to go into the east side of Yellowstone Park. And a lot of folks because this is the one that's probably less traveled, I believe, and then we're going to go out the south side of Yellowstone. So we've seen the west, we've seen the north, but this is the first time we're actually going to go through the east gate. So I'm excited about that.
Yeah, like I said, we stopped in Cody for the night, and that town, I guess, is just best known for Buffalo Bill.
Yes, it has Buffalo Bill museums and all that. It's actually a good historic town. Yeah. If we thought about staying there for a little bit, but I talked to a lady who was there for 5 days, and she's telling me all these things. So if we would have thought about it, but we've chose to spend 5 days in the Tetons. Gosh. And the weather is going to be incredible, yay, folks. Did we even check to see if we could fit in this tunnel?
Well, what is our height?
11.2.
When we were Googling the directions from Cody KOA to the Grand Tetons to Gros Ventre, it kept saying road closed.
Yes.
And Stan was starting to panic. We checked the night before and everything was fine. Then all of a sudden it says the 14 is closed. So what we did is we went in and we decided to ask the KOA people, and they told us it was open. So just food for thought. And I think this is what it is. It's just some road construction, and it might just be closed on one side and then wait for a pilot car, that kind of thing. But anyway, the tip is, if you find out something's closed, just ask the local RV parks. They're going to help you out. Was the most beautiful drive coming into the east entrance
from Cody.
birds. He doesn't bother the birds. I've never seen that before. We're about halfway to the Grand Tetons, and this has been the best travel day.
To see Yellowstone in the winter, because it's still winter here, because there's a lot of snow. Well, it's spring. A lot of Yellowstone Lake is still frozen over. You know, and we've done a lot of videos, folks, before on Yellowstone, so if you want to see those, go back to those. So we're not going to stop to see a whole lot of this because we've already seen it.
Yeah.
But it definitely is a whole different look in the winter.
We're still along the rim of Yellowstone Lake, and the surface of Yellowstone Lake is 7,700 feet, a little bit more than that. And then we were looking way down on it. So I think
we were like 9,000.
I think we're at 9,000.
When we came from the east, the east gate is the most beautiful entrance.
Oh.
I was just so surprised to see that the lake is still frozen. This is a huge lake, folks. Huge.
You're saying it's 50 degrees, but it's cold. I rolled that window down, it's freezing. So I could see why things are still frozen over and snow on the ground. And
to see such a massive body of water frozen like that is incredible. And we saw it when it was totally, you know, we saw it in the fall.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
I think you can tell in the voice, a little excited about it. It's just really cool to see. It's been an incredible drive so far.
we got checked in, and very nice. They were very informative. We were able to get the magazine and the map. We know where we're going, but we got to fill up with water first, so you can't get past. That's the only problem. Can't really get past the first guy in line for dumping, so we are just waiting to go fill up for water. So they have 2 dump stations. Right now, they only allow 43 people. Is that what it was?
Yes. 43
people a day to dump. So we went ahead and scheduled our dump for the day we leave on the 22nd. But we might be here a while. We're not sure what's happening up there. Setting up the barrier.
Doing the barrier. Ants, lots of ants. Not just, I've done this for years since I've been camping, just deters them a little bit. Especially when you have red ants.
Oh yeah. We're all set up. A little early, but we got dinner going because we didn't have lunch today. We're driving. But this is amazing. So amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Gros Ventre. When you look at it, it looks like Gros Ventre, but that's how it's pronounced, Gros Ventre. So look at this. Very spacious. That's the next side over. Can barely even see the other side over there. Don't even know, like a little utility shed there. There's your bear box. And you can see, a little cloudy today, a little hazy, but you can see over there, Tetons, and over here, Tetons. There's still snow on the mountains too. Gosh, so beautiful. The nice thing is it's all concrete, all asphalt. So you can stay clean a little bit. Plenty of room for the truck. This site was like 36 feet deep. And then our trailer, you know, is just shy of 30 feet. So we've got truck in, we got the trailer in. Worked out fabulous. So loops A, B, and C are generator friendly. Loop D actually has electricity. If we didn't tell you, we paid $50 a night for this site. It's a little expensive. The electricity sites are $77. So it's not cheap, but I would say it's definitely worth it. Holy, oh my goodness. Okay.
So look, here's a secret. Don't tell anybody. But if you want to get closer to the trail, park at the boat launch parking lot. Don't tell anybody.
They either are trying to encourage us or they're lying to us. No, I can hear it. You're almost there. Look at this. Holy smacks.